we know that we would have adjusted the bill for statutory bodies such that they can invest in different portfolios. That was done sometime a year or two ago. And so what we see here is that the NIS has moved strategically to find new opportunities. And it's, as I mentioned on the same page, that is a strategic decision to get involved. In fact, if you look at the second column on page 15, so it's directly opposite where it says registration activities. On the other side of it, it says in that paragraph, as part of the strategic goal, a tactical decision was made to allocate a greater portion of short-term investment to the U.S. Treasuries, U.S. Treasury bonds, U.S. Treasury bills. So just in the second column on the same page, so you come down, you come down to that paragraph as part of the strategic. Now, this is good, but at the same time, we know what is happening within the whole global space and also within the U.S. And we trust that the brokers that are used, like, it's a long name, so I wouldn't try to repeat it, that the brokers will do justice and ensure that we don't have any challenges, because if there is challenges with short-term borrowing, then the negative impact would be very quick on us when we look in maybe 90 days or 30 days to get back return. Then the return might be much less, because especially with the uncertainties in the whole global economy. The long term, you might say, okay, there might be recovery. So I trust that our local investment committee is looking at that.